Let's face it, managing money can feel like trying to juggle blindfolded. Bills, takeout, surprise charges, where does it all go? But here's the good news. AI is making it easier than ever to take control of your finances without spreadsheets or stress. Today, I'm sharing the top 5 AI budgeting tools that can help you crush your financial goals, save more, and stress less. Let's dive in. Number 1, Cleo. Cleo isn't your average budgeting app. She's an AI-powered chatbot with serious personality. She links to your bank account, roasts you for spending too much on takeout, and hypes you up when you hit your savings goals. It's budgeting, but fun, and surprisingly effective. Number 2, Rocket Money. Ever realize you've been paying for 5 streaming services you totally forgot about? Rocket Money scans your bank account, finds all your subscriptions, and cancels the ones you're not using. It even negotiates bills for you. This app saved me over $200 in my first month, and I didn't lift a finger. Number 3, YNAB. You need a budget. YNAB is for the planners. You give every dollar a job, track your spending in real time, and let its smart AI show you exactly where your money's going. It's like having a money coach in your pocket. Once you get the hang of it, budgeting becomes less of a chore and more of a strategy. Number 4, Plum. Plum is the silent saver. It learns your spending habits and automatically moves small amounts of money into savings or investments. You don't even notice it's gone until you realize you've saved hundreds. Low effort, big results. Number 5, Monarch Money. If you love clean dashboards and seeing the big picture, Monarch is a game changer. It links all your accounts, tracks your goals, and shows you a clear snapshot of your financial health. Think of it as your personal finance command center, designed to make your money make sense. So whether you're trying to build savings, cut down on spending, or just stop living paycheck to paycheck, these tools can help. Pick one, try it for a week, let the AI do the heavy lifting. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more smart money tips using AI. And hey, drop a comment with AI money tools if you want my free budgeting starter kit.